How to use SolCard crypto credit card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. SolCard lets you spend cryptocurrencies directly through a credit card, but beginners often make mistakes that can cost money or block transactions. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto is instantly spendable. The surprising truth is that only supported tokens can be converted into fiat for purchases. Using unsupported coins can result in declined transactions. Another common mistake is not tracking conversion fees. SolCard charges network and conversion fees that impact your overall spending. Ignoring these can reduce the value you get from your crypto. Many users overlook security measures. Linking a card without enabling multi-factor authentication or strong PINs increases risk. Always follow SolCard's recommended security protocols. Failing to monitor spending and withdrawal limits is another pitfall. Daily and monthly limits exist, and exceeding them can block transactions unexpectedly. In conclusion, using SolCard properly means confirming supported tokens, understanding fees, enabling strong security, and tracking limits. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a smooth, secure crypto spending experience in 2025.